Hi, this is Soumya Tiwari and welcome to my YouTube channel. My topic of today is time management for exams. So first point is before one day of exam, try to revise all the concepts you have studied till now. Then the second point is try to reach the examination hall on time, and when you take your seat, try to do deep breathing for 5 minutes. Then the third point is if you are having 4 sections in a question paper and the time is 3 hours, then try to give 45 minutes for each section. Make sure you do all the questions on time. Try to complete your paper by 1:15. 15 minutes, key 15 minutes for reviewing and rechecking. In case you have done the question wrong, you can correct it in those 15 minutes. But try to be very positive and always believe in yourself. Then the fourth point is try to attempt all the questions. If you have not studied the chapter, it's all right. You can use your logical reasoning and the all the uh, classes and the topics where your teacher has discussed those topics. You can remember, recall, and try to answer it on your own. Make sure it approximates with your question. The third another point is if you have difficulty in remember history dates, try to associate that date with any event which happened in your family or in your life, or you can make a table. In one table you can write big letters your dates, then the second you can write down the events, then another column who are the people involved in those who struggle, then the another point, then the another column will be comprised of what movement is all about. If you some people have difficulty in learning the diagrams, first make sure you practice the diagram, you observe it for 15 minutes, then try to make a list of all the labeling points and try to write the function of each and try to recall it, remember 5-6 times, whatever time you want, whatever times you want you can do. Lastly, try to revise it, and if you don't know how to answer the question answer in English, try to practice the grammar and try to do revise, read the storybook, watch English movie, whatever you can do, do it. So wishing you all the very best. Thank you so much. Bye.